If your app won't open and points to the Msvcp110.dll, the fix is closer than you think. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's get you back to work. This DLL file is the Microsoft C++ standard library for Visual Studio 2012. It provides essential routines for object handling and data logic for applications relying on the 2012 Visual C++ runtime environment. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The recommended solution is to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Visit Microsoft's site, download the Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64, and install them to repair the missing file. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Msvcp110. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like the Msvcp110.dll. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Click the link below for the official utility. It's an efficient way to manage the Msvcp110 and streamline your Windows library environment. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Microsoft Visual C++ functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.